So in this lesson, we're going to be going over special right triangles, 30, 60, 90. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to do 30, 60, 90 using a story, but this one is going to use a chart. So here's the chart. So here's the triangle, the 30, 60, 90, and this is the chart that you're going to have to memorize. So you're going to put 30 on the first line, 60 and 90, and then you're going to have to memorize this proportion. 1 to radical 3 to 2. 1 radical 3, 2. So let's say you're given the side 4. That's the side opposite the 30, so that's going to go into the purple line. The side opposite the 60 and the 90, you're going to label with different variables. And so I used x and y. So in the blue line, I'm going to put x, and the orange line, I'm going to put y. So here's your chart. And you can set up a proportion now. So 1 over radical 3 is equal to 4 over x. When you set up your proportion, make sure that you have one variable. You cannot have two. So your proportion is going to be 1 over radical 3 is equal to 4 over x. So you cross multiply now. You have 1 times x is equal to 4 times radical 3. And 1, you could just get rid of that 1, so your x is equal to 4 rad 3. Now let's set up the other proportion, and we have 1 over 2 is equal to 4 over y. You cross multiply, 1 times y is equal to 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, so y is equal to 8. Okay, let's try that again with different numbers. So here's your chart, 30, 60, 90, 1, radical 3, 2. The side opposite the 30, let's say, is 7. The side opposite the 60 and the 90, you're going to label with variables. Plug those numbers into the chart in the correct spot. Set up your proportion. 1 over radical 3 is equal to 7 over x. Cross multiply. 1 times x is equal to 7 times radical 3. So x is equal to 7 rad 3. Set up your next proportion. Now I'm going to use the first line and the third line. So you have 1 over 2 is equal to 7 over y. Cross multiply, 1 times y is equal to 7 times 2. So y is equal to 14. Okay, and I try this one on your own. Okay, so you label the sides, x and y. Now fill in the chart. Okay, so the side opposite the 30 is 8. The side opposite the 60 is x. And the side opposite the 90 is y. Set up your proportion. Okay, so the first proportion is going to be 1 over radical 3 is equal to 8 over x. Now what do you do? Cross multiply. So 1 times x is equal to 8 times radical 3. And so x is 8 rad 3. Okay, so what's your next proportion going to be? One over 2 is equal to 8 over y. Cross multiply. Y is equal to 16. Okay. Now, all three of these examples had a number in the side opposite the 30. But what happens if they give you a number somewhere else? So, for example, what happens if they give you the hypotenuse is 10? Well, then we're going to have to put variables on the other two sides. So let's say we used x and y again. Now you have to fill in your chart, but your chart is going to look different. So go ahead and fill in your chart. The side opposite the 30 y, the side opposite the 60, x, and the side opposite the 90, 10. So your chart is going to look a little different than earlier. Okay, set up your proportion. Notice we cannot use the purple and blue for the first proportion because there are two variables. We have y and x, so you cannot put a box around these two. You're going to have to use the blue and the orange boxes. So here's your proportion. We have radical 3 over 2 is equal to x over 10. Now you cross multiply. Radical 3 times 10, 2 times x. So here's your proportion. Divide both sides by 2 because you have a number in front of the variable. And then you have 5 rad 3. Okay, so let's try our second proportion. We're not going to use the blue one now. Let's use the purple and orange. We have 1 over 2 is equal to y over 10. Cross multiply. 1 times 10 is equal to 2 times y. So 2y is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2, and you have y is equal to 5. Okay, so this chart could be used for the 30, 60, 90s, but it could also be used for the 45, 45, 90. So what you would do is you put 45, 45, 90, and your proportion will be 1, 1, radical 2. Once again, your proportion will be 1, 1, radical 2. And so you could use the same method on the 45, 45, 90s. So that's the end of the lesson.